Hey guys, Matt here. I want to talk sermon kits with you real quick, how to get to them, what to do after you download one, especially now that you've become a premium member or a pro member, you have access to some of these things. So here on Sermon Central, you can see over in the top left, we have a sermon prep dropdown. So if you hover over the dropdown, you then get a ton of different choices of things you can click into. We're going to pick sermon series kits. So sermon series kit. The next page that comes up here has we have hundreds of these now. So you have hundreds of choices of multi-week and single week kits to choose from. The single week kits are called premium sermon kits, just heads up. So let's say I wanted to jump into this Winds of Change Pentecost kit. I would then come in here and I'm already a pro member, so my account should be updated. If it's not working, that's a whole nother video, but let's just pretend it's all working. And you come into this is the kit page, so this kind of tells you what the kit's about. This is about Pentecost. So if I wanted this one, I'd come here, I click this download package button here. So once I click that, another page opens and I can see all of the resources that are in the kit. So you have a planning guide, week 1, 2, 3, 4 sermons, you have videos. If I go click any one of these things, download, then this pop-up comes up. Would you like to activate this sermon series kit? So with these multi-week kits, you can activate a new one every 3 days. So every 3 days you can activate a new one. So let's say I were to activate this one and I get into it and I decide I really don't like this one. I'm gonna have to wait 72 hours. But if I do want this one, then I just hit yes, activate now. So I clicked that. This is now activated and you may have seen it download. The whole thing, or the planning guide specifically downloaded. I'd have to go through and download each individual piece of either sermon content or video media. So download each thing that I wanted to get and use. And then if I wanted to, so before I move on from here, just to be clear, once you've activated this kit, you now are able to download all the resources in the kit. So you go through and you could come back to this and download them later if you want, or you could do it all at once, whatever works best for you. But once you've activated it, you can now get all the resources. Then if I were to, let's say I wanted to get in and see what kind of things I have downloaded, I would go into, hover over account. You can see I have all these different benefits and things. It shows you how many downloads I have remaining. And then down in the dashboard, or down here, you'll see premium resources. So this is where you could see that I've just downloaded this specific kit, Winds of Change, and I can click into my account here. This is probably another video as well, the account dashboard, but if you just wanted to see what you have downloaded so far, download history, and now I can see everything that I've gotten access to. But kit activation history, this is where this one I just activated pops up. And you can see I have activated others over the years, but Winds of Change is now kind of in my library. I can then view it from here, from my account dashboard, get back into it, and then start downloading content as needed. So again, a quick overview of if you want to get access to a sermon series kit or a premium sermon kit, that's how you do it. That's what downloading looks like, and that kind of walks you through the process. So thanks for watching, and if you have any other ideas or you have an idea of something you're having trouble with and you have questions, you'd love a video about it, feel free to email me. I'll include my email in the description there for you. So thanks a ton for being a member, and we'll talk to you next time.